All right, keep your eyes closed, brother. Eyes closed. All right, listen. Everybody be quiet for a second. Listen. This is what happens. Listen.
Get out of the way.
Let's go. Listen. This is what happens when you put God first and you put some effort and hard work. Guys, for 1 second. This is what happens when you keep God first and you put some effort behind that faith. Because faith without effort means nothing. Yeah. Brother, you've been grinding for a long time. So this is not from me. This is from God. Congratulations. Yeah. Come on, let's go look at it, brother. Love, brother. Wow. Love, bro. Love, brother.
You guys are coming to get a haircut.
It's because you've been grinding. So this right here is going to be transportation for you, right? I'm not sure if you can drive at all, but maybe we get you a driver. You got a team, right? So this is going to be transportation for you, so you don't have to wait on any rides. You don't got to wait on a bus. You can get straight to it. Because I believe that your message needs to go to the entire world. Disability is not inability. Y'all give it up for Ashton Small. Give it up for Ashton Small. Ashton Small. Keep going.
Thank you, brother.
Love, brother. Love.
Open to the screen, and then you open your own curtain.
Unlock. Now get the door.
It's your own curtain.
Good.
Jump up in there. Wow. Love, brother. Love, bro. You've been grinding. This is your hard work. Wow. You've been grinding, bro. You've been grinding. Look. You've been grinding, bro. God is amazing. Remember, He works through people. This is not me. This is Him. You shouldn't even see me as a real person right now. This is Jesus Christ. He's showing you that He's real. He's showing you that you might be small, but your purpose is huge. Wow. Everyone needs to see it. Because the faith that you have, what I've seen, right? The patience that you have, the love that you have, the kindness that you have, millions of people don't have that. And they don't struggle or deal with the disability. So what I found out on this trip really is that disability really isn't inability. You got a big heart, brother. I love you, bro. Love. Hop up in there. Go ahead. Easy. A to B. Too easy. I'm gonna get on the other side. Let me get on the other side. Okay. You okay?
Would you please?
It's your own. It's your own car, man. No more rent. No more rent for a car. It's your own car. No more rent again. Hey, look. This is the beginning. It's a Kia. I was looking for a Jeep, but they have no Jeeps out here. Jesus is the king. And Jesus is walking. This is going to be point A to point B. You know what I'm saying? We can see if you can learn to drive it. We can get you the stick, and maybe you can grip the steering wheel. We'll see if you can drive it over time. But don't feel pressure to drive it anytime soon. Amazing. You got your brothers. Your brother can drive it for you. You hop right in the passenger seat. Y'all get from point A to point B. You know how you just went on a trip for 8 hours? Now you can do it in your own car. You ain't got to call and say, hey, can I get a ride? Nah, bump that. You got your own car. You just need a little driver. The good thing is that you got brothers out here.
From bottom of my heart, I appreciate you, man. I can't say a lot. God bless you.
You don't have to say a lot.
God bless you.
I see God in you. You don't got to say a lot.
God bless you, man.
Thank you, bro.
I really appreciate Jesus. Because Jesus is the God.
Yeah.
Without Jesus, I can't achieve the things that I've got.
Yeah.
So from bottom of my heart, I really appreciate you, man.
Appreciate you too, brother. It's love. We love. Hey, we. Yeah.
Not from now. From Chantilly, you have been like my family.
Yeah.
So, let me ask you one thing.
Yeah.
Are you ready to be my brother?
Yeah. We brothers. I'm here forever, brother. I'm here forever. You'll be 55. Like I told you the other day, you'll be 55, I'll be 60. Still calling you. Brother, how you doing? Everything good? Checking up on you. How the kids? How wifey? How's the house? You know what I'm saying? How's business? And you gave me a real brotherhood, a real friendship. When I do this, when I do these searches and I look for somebody to bless, I don't promise that I keep up with them. I don't promise that it's going to be forever, but this is God sent, you know? And honestly, I've helped you whatever, cool, right? Through God, but you've helped me so much, and I've been telling my team this so much. I had an out-of-body experience. I literally saw how thankful and grateful you were when we didn't even eat for the entire day. We were grinding. I was tired and complaining. When is the food coming out? I'm hungry now. I need the food right now. I'm tired now. And you were just sitting there, and you were quiet. You were silent. And you said to me, brother, I appreciate you, everything that you've done. And I just thought about it, and I'm like, dang, Ash, you need a lot more. You have this sometimes, but you need to activate the good. So I saw the good in me, in you, and I learned a lot, bro. You're a true king. You don't complain. So humble. And, bro, this is small, bro. God has so much for you. He has so much more for you. All right? God bless you. Let's go show some love to your fans. So where do we go from here? W's in the chat.
Let's go say what's up.
I forgot we was live for a second. Let's go say what's up to the fans.
I appreciate everybody here.
Yeah, let's go. Let's stand on the car. We'll stand on the car and we'll say we appreciate everyone.
That's all I have to stand up.